In this video, I'm going to show you how to share password on 1Password. So the first thing you want to do here inside your admin console, you want to go inside your vault. So it's going to open up the vault over here, and then you must first find your password you wish to share. So for example, I have this test password over here I created for this tutorial. You want to click on it, and then here you'll be able to see the username and password. Just go ahead and click on share at the very top. And when you do that, it's going to basically allow you to set when this link expires. So I'm just going to do 1 hour right now, and then it says available to, and then anyone with the link or only some people. So you could set to whatever you want. You could add an email if you just want it to be basically available to only certain people, or you could do anyone with the link. And then you can go ahead and click on copy link. Also, if you want it to be only viewed one time, you can do that as well. And then you can send that link to somebody. So for example, like this, if I paste that in here, as you can see, that's what it's going to look like, and then they'll be able to copy the username and the password over here, and you can also reveal it and stuff like that. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.